One of the most fun parts about having a motorcycle is the gadgets you can buy to go with it. These innovative tools not only boost your ride's functionality, but also add an extra layer of excitement and safety. Whether it's a smart helmet that navigates for you, or a sleek LED light that signals your every move, each gadget ensures your journey is as smooth as the road ahead. So let's start the ride and pick the best one for you. Number 8. Samsung Smart Windshield. We've seen plenty of heads-up displays for cars, but what about bikes? Samsung has taken a leap into the biking world with Samsung Windshield. Imagine cruising down the road and accessing digital info right on your windscreen, like a futuristic cockpit for bikers. This smart windshield syncs with your smartphone via Wi-Fi, giving you hands-free access to calls, messages, and GPS directions while you ride. It's like having a high-tech co-pilot right in front of you, making your journey safer and more connected. Plus, it could potentially replace helmet-integrated systems, offering a sleek alternative for riders. Just picture yourself breezing through traffic, staying in the loop without taking your eyes off the road. Number 7. Dainese D-Air Smart Jacket. In the modern era, be a modern biker and ride with an airbag. Yes, you heard it right, the motorbike airbag. Enter Dainese's D-Air Smart Jacket, offering true freedom of protection. This innovative gear fits seamlessly into any outfit, whether over or under any other jacket, catering to every motorcycle and rider type. Ventilation? Check. Advanced technology? Double check. The Smart Jacket boasts perfect airflow for warmer days and can handle any weather conditions, rain or shine. But what truly sets it apart is its ease of use. Slip it on and you're instantly shielded. With over 26 hours of protection on a single charge. No hassle, just peace of mind. Powered by the latest Dainese D-Air registered trademark technology, the Smart Jacket is the result of over 25 years of road and track research, trusted by MotoGP trademark champions. Its intelligent algorithm detects risky situations and deploys the airbag instantaneously, ensuring maximum rider safety without sacrificing comfort. Number 6. Insta 361R. Are you a moto vlogger or want to be one? Look no further than the Insta 361R, the ultimate camera for riders. Its versatility and quality are unmatched, perfect for recording your motorcycle adventures in stunning detail. With its modular design, you can easily switch between the 4K wide-angle and 360-degree lenses, ensuring you capture every angle of your ride. Plus, with flow state stabilization, your footage will stay smooth and clear, even on the roughest roads. And with features like the invisible selfie stick, your shots will be distraction-free and immersive, giving viewers a unique point of view experience. But it's not just about capturing the ride. Analyze and improve your performance with auto-frame and point-to-track features, keeping you in focus automatically. Number 5. Dynamoto. Are you looking for a practical and efficient storage solution for your motorbike? Dynamoto stands have revolutionized the motorcycle industry with their innovative design, offering unparalleled ease and flexibility for storing and maneuvering bikes. These stands are not only robust and stable, but also versatile, accommodating various bike models with ease. What sets Dynamoto stands apart is their omnidirectional movement capability, allowing smooth gliding in any direction, even in tight spaces. Praised for their solid construction and user-friendly design, Dynamoto stands make it effortless for one person to move even heavy bikes. Whether you have limited garage space or frequently need to reposition your bike, these stands are a game changer for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking a practical and efficient storage solution. Number 4. Sena Spider RT1. Helmet is a must for riders, but in a helmet, communication can be tricky. That's where the Spider RT1 comes in, a sleek, affordable headset by Sena that's changing the game. With its low-profile design and intuitive 3-button control, the Spider RT1 offers seamless communication for riders. It's Sena's first headset to run on the innovative mesh intercom platform, delivering impressive performance at a great price. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.2, you can easily pair your smartphone with the Spider RT1 to stream music, get GPS directions, and even make or take calls while on the road. Plus, with Sena's audio multitasking technology, you can chat with fellow riders via mesh intercom while still using your smartphone's Bluetooth features, like listening to music or getting directions. Number 3. BMW Connectedride Smartglasses. The ultimate gadget for short and long tours. BMW Connectedride Smartglasses revolutionize your riding experience with a head-up display right on your motorcycle. These smart glasses project essential riding info, like speed and navigation, right into your field of view, keeping distractions minimal and your focus on the road ahead. And thanks to their slim design, they fit comfortably under your helmet. With the optical projection module discreetly placed above the right lens, you get real-time data on speed, gear, and more, all without taking your eyes off the road. And when you don't need the info, simply switch off the display with the button on the temple or via the BMW Motorrad Connected app. And even if you wear glasses, there's an option for corrective lenses that seamlessly integrate into the smart glasses. Number 2. Brake Free. Introducing the Brake Free LED brake light, a game changer in motorcycle safety. This smart helmet-mounted device enhances rider visibility with 100 ultra-bright LEDs that activate automatically when you brake. No wires, no hassle. The light detects deceleration using built-in sensors, ensuring it shines brightly to alert following traffic without any direct connection to your bike's brake system. It offers 3 modes: steady, blinking, and low power to suit different riding conditions. With a wide 120-degree viewing angle, it creates a significant visual footprint, making you more visible on the road. And the best part? It's portable, easy to install, and praised by riders everywhere for its contribution to motorcycle safety. Number 1. Livall MC1 Pro. Meet the Livall MC1 Pro, a smart motorcycle helmet that redefines safety and technology integration. This cutting-edge helmet features a full HD front-mounted camera, Bluetooth intercom, and LED lights for optimal visibility. Crafted from carbon fiber, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and lightweight design. And with its crash alert system, you can ride with peace of mind, knowing that an SOS message with your location will be sent if an accident occurs. Certified by ECE 2206 and DIOT, this helmet meets stringent safety standards. Plus, its smart lighting functions as brake lights, enhancing your visibility on the road. With a long battery life and sleek design, the Livall MC1 Pro is the ultimate choice for riders who value safety, connectivity, and style. So, what's your take on these gadgets? Got a favorite? Tell us in the comments. And if you want to stay updated with the latest tech gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your thoughts and subscriptions help us keep the wheels turning with new content. Thanks for watching.